everyone, welcome to the Python tutorial series, and this is PyCharm platform, and today we learn how to write a program for factorial, how to display factorial, and I am already uploaded how to find out a factorial, but in this video how to find out factorial by recursion method. First of all, we know that what is factorial. If I am saying factorial of 2, what is the value of factorial 2? It means 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. Okay, and 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2 multiply. If I am asking for 4 factorial, the 4 factorial value is 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. This is the value of 4 factorial. And if I am asking the factorial of 0 is 1, and I am asking for factorial of minus 1 is not exist. So this is the mathematical term factorial. So how to write a program to calculate factorial value by recursion method? Recursion method means a method where we recall a function recalls self. Okay, let's start. I already written the program, only I am discuss. Okay, first of all we define a function. Def is useful to use for creating a function. So function title is recur underscore factorial. You can choose any name, and the argument is n. Okay, after we condition if n is equal to 1, if the user input n value is 1, and we know that factorial of 1 is 1, is return value is 1, so answer is 1. Okay, else if the value is greater than 1, write 2. Okay, if the factorial if the input value is greater than 1 is 2, so what happen is not satisfy this condition, it means not return this, he return this. Now you can understand this, only the main thing of in the program. He return n value, n means 2, multiply by recurrent factorial n minus 1. Recurrent factorial n minus 1, it means 2 minus 1, it means 1. And when recurrent factorial 1 value, if 1 here, the return value is 1. Now multiply by 1 is equal to 2. Now you can more easily understand if the user input a value 3. Okay, n value is 3, it means is greater than 1, not satisfied this condition, not satisfy this, so else return what is written 3, n value is 3, multiply by recur underscore factorial n minus 2, it means 3 minus 1, it means 2. And when recur factorial and not it means not 3 multiplied by 2, it is not, we have to calculate this value factorial. Recur factorial value 2, it means greater than 1, he return again this, it means 2, n value is 2, multiply by recur factorial. Now 2 minus 1 is 1 is here, now return value is 1, 8, so return answer is 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1, like that. I want to tell you, it is not mean if n value is 2 and here value is 1, it means 2 multiplied by 1. No, if recur underscore factorial value is 1, the program run from here and put the result here. Okay, like that the cycle is repeat and you get the factorial of n. Okay, after this is a variable is equal to 7. You can put here if you want to value input by user. So we're talking about numbers, so integer bracket input and in single quote or double quote enter value. Okay, now what happened, now the user the program asks from the user and put the value. Okay, if next condition, if the num value is less than 0, if input value is less than 0, the print the string is sorry factorial does not exist for negative number. If next condition, inside this condition, if value input by user is 0, it means the factorial is 1. We know that the factorial of 0 is 1. Okay, if value is greater than 0, then what happened, the factorial of num is the input value is, then the function call function from here. Okay, now you can see here, this is a function. We return the answer by the recall function, then this function we again recall in the this print value. Okay, this is green, it means string only is a alphabet, not the part of the program, is the only message. So message appear the factorial of num. This is num is a variable, input value is put here. It means for example you input 7, the factorial of 7 is, and this is the result of recur factorial num. Okay, now we can check, run, the output asks value. Okay, some error, the factorial num. Okay, some more brackets put here. Okay, only we require 2 brackets. Now run this program. Now he asks a value, I am putting 0, it means factorial of 0 is 1. Now I am put -1, -1 means not exist, sorry, factorial does not exist. Again run, and now I am value enter is 5. It means 5 multiplied by 4 is 20, multiplied by 3 is 60, 60 multiplied by 2 is 120, 120 multiplied by 1 is 120. The display answer is 120. Okay, this is the tutorial of how to calculate factorial of a number given by user by recursion method. Okay, if any doubt, please comment on this video, I will clear your doubt. And for supporting my work, please support my work by Patreon member, starting from $5 per month. Please support my work and subscribe, share and click on bell icon. Thank you very much.